We have a 2015 Toyota Prius. We just got it from the auction. The fender was damaged. So we got a fender from a junkyard and trying to replace it. Took us a long time to get this fender off, so I just want to show you guys what needs to be removed in order to get the fender off. Of course, you gotta remove the fender liner. There's one bolt under the rocker panel, so you do have to remove the rocker panel. As you can see, the bumper will have to be removed, and not just that, the headlight needs to be removed because there are bolts for the fender right behind the headlight. Let's see what else. So the bumper, headlight, and the rocker panel are basically the main things that you're gonna have to remove in order to get the fender off. So this is the fender that came off. The damage was right here. Not a whole lot of damage, but still we needed to remove it. That's the bumper that needed to come off.